In this video, I'm giving you alternatives to say grazie that Italian natives actually use so you can sound more natural and connect better when you go to Italy. I'm Maria. I learned Italian from complete scratch so I could speak with my family over in Calabria. And now I teach Italian every day inside my Italian Toolkit program. I used to say grazie 100 times a day for absolutely everything. And I never realized that Italians have different ways to say thank you. So these alternatives will really help you out. Number one, grazie can upgrade to grazie mille. It means thank you very much or even thanks a ton, because mille means 1,000. So thanks a ton. It just feels warmer and more expressive than just plain old grazie. You could say grazie mille when someone does something very kind for you. So for example, if somebody helps you out, you can say grazie mille per l'aiuto. Thanks for the help. Numero due, ti ringrazio for the informal or la ringrazio for the formal. This one is more intentional. It means I thank you. It's a little more formal than just plain old grazie. This is perfect for when you want to sound really sincere or just really respectful. And there's the informal ti ringrazio and the formal la ringrazio. By the way, make sure that when you do say grazie, that you're saying grazie and you're really pronouncing that at the end and not just grazie. I hear that so much as a teacher. If you need help with Italian pronunciation, I have a complete pronunciation workshop at my free lesson in the link below in the description. We go through all those tricky Italian sounds coming from English with a ton of conversational examples. So again, if you feel like that's something you need help with, click the link below. Numero tre, sei gentilissimo for the masculine or sei gentilissima for the feminine. This means you're so kind. It's almost like in English when we say you're too kind. So instead of just saying like thanks or grazie, you're acknowledging the person. You can even throw grazie in there. You could say grazie, sei gentilissimo. Thank you, you're so kind. Numero quattro, troppo gentile. Troppo gentile. It means too kind, and in English, it's similar to our phrase, that's very kind of you. You'll hear this one all the time. It's very natural, warm, very Italian. Troppo gentile. Numero cinque, my personal favorite that I love saying more than just plain old grazie is Grazie Di Cuore. Cuore. It means thank you from my heart. In English, sometimes we'll say thanks from the bottom of my heart. In Italian, we can just say Grazie Di Cuore. Thanks from my heart. This one is very emotional and it's very meaningful, and that's why I love saying it, because it's very expressive in Italian. Using simple alternatives like these makes you feel way more native and natural when speaking a language, and I love using all of them. If you enjoyed this mini Italian lesson, then I know you'll love this one where I teach you all the alternatives to saying prego or you're welcome. Arrivederci. Ciao.